Ulitin.
Dapat try mo magsabi yung subur-labong na walang ito.
Sabihin mo natin, dapat very vlogger, dapat may details. Okay, so kakalagpas lang namin ng immigration. Ano yung mga tinanong sa inyo? Ganyan eh. Ano yung mga tinanong?
Tinanong sa akin kung sino kasama mo last travel lang.
Ako, sino lang kasama sa nag-work? Yun lang.
Ganda mo dyan sa angle na yun.
Oo, ay, tumingin
Ganito
ka
lang.
kasi.
Ganyan lang. Sa akin, tinanong kung sinong kasama ko sa paano ko sila nakilala.
Natawa yun sa kanya. Tapos sinabi niya sa elementary friends.
Oo, ito totoo naman eh. Yun lang guys. Okay, so yun lang muna and we'll update you pag boarding na kami. Okay, bye! Now,
Like,
we're gonna sleep. What time is our boarding?
11. 30 minutes na lang. Ay, 15 minutes na lang.
kaya,
Okay, so anong kulay talaga ng damit ni Ina? What's registering in the camera? Is it brown or is it green? Comment down below.
look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Oh. It's brown, no? Binili ko to kasi I thought it's brown.
Maganda ba yung quality?
I call it, diarrhea.
Hindi, dyan nakikita mo, maganda ba yung quality?
Oo, sobrang
Samsung! Yung mga montage. Yan. Oh, OTD. Ay, bakit natin OTD natin? What are you wearing? What are you wearing?
I'm wearing my pajama reel.
I'm wearing my Onitsuka sneakers. I'm wearing my Onitsuka. I'm wearing jeans from Uniqlo. This bag from Shopee, my camera bag. And I'm wearing Arisim. And then this cardigan from Tommy.
Wow.
And my curls by Arian Cantor.
Wow.
I'm wearing
Yeah. From Uniqlo, Everysim also. Okay pants. And my Nike shoes.
And pakita mo yung bagong Apple Watch.
Look.
Apple
Andyan si Ricky.
Watch Ultra. What are you wearing?
wala.
What are you
A Christmas outfit.
Very Bangkok, ha?
The Vito, I think.
Very
Then
Christmas.
TikTok. Then Shein.
What about your hair?
My hair is from...
At North Towers.
And are you Merry Christmas?
Yes. It's...
Yeah. Gate 108.
Na-practice mo na ba yung performance natin?
Yes.
Group number 3?
Yeah.
Sobrang, niya, late na.
We are... Ano ba yung opening number?
Doxology muna.
Ay, ikaw yung it's time, no? Look at her. She's red and green. Ready for the Christmas time. Ikot nga tayo.
Hello! Look at that. Look at that.
just looking for somewhere to eat because it's now, I think, 3 a.m. in Bangkok. Guys, we're finally checked in at our hotel. We're staying at Narawad Boutique Hotel. Okay, I'm gonna give you a room tour. Here is our door. And then when you come in, we have hanger. What's this?
Let's look at the stairs.
But parang ang init. Ay, ito pala. Hanap ako ng hanap sa remote. Hindi na ma-open.
Wait, yung remote sabi ko.
It's so big, guys. I just hope it's malamig.
But I think I can hear the other.
And this
Because
is
the wall is
the
so
toilet. It's good. It's clean. It
I like this style of toilet.
European style. It has bidet as well, which is what we like. Perfect. Blow dry. It just doesn't have a safe. And walang sleepers.
Ay, wala. Safe, yeah.
And the towel is
Alam ko na yung safe natin.
Baka nasa
Ay,
ano
no,
mo
dami.
kasi. Let's go upstairs.
yung upstairs lang yun. Let's go half stairs. Ah, puta.
Yes, tangkad. Ay, ganda dito, mangga. Wow. Okay. Wow!
Nice, guys. It's decent enough. Nabuksan mo yung aircon. Kanina pa tayo din.
Hi guys, I'm here alone in Central World. And I'm just waiting for my friends to arrive because we all took our individual motorbikes here. Grabe lino. Kitang-kita ang pores. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for them. Hopefully they arrive soon. Ayun na, nakita ko na si Ina.
Super bold. Nabangga ako sa truck.
Ha? So may nakita kami kababayan dito. Hi kayo sa vlog.
Philippines.
Paka-picture siya sa amin. Siyempre, may picturean namin siya, guys. Para picturean niya din kami. Ganun yun, life hacks. Over here, papakita ko sa inyo. Central World. And then, Bangkok street food. So, eto sa kabila namin yung Big C. Yan, Big C. Diyan bibili ng mga pampasalubong pang pamilya at pang sports pa.
Pa-picture na tayo?
This is my outfit for today. Denim, and then chanelas lang. And then it's my skirt, and then my bag. So we're at Gentlewoman. Shopping. Ha?
Saan may iba pang ganito? Kita mo?
Ay, hindi ko pa nakikita iba. You don't need another bag. Okay guys, first stop, Gentlewoman. The damage has been done.
Kasi diba?
That's just the first stop, and then we're gonna go somewhere else. Okay? Later tonight, we're gonna show you our haul. We're so excited about that. See you. Okay. Our first meal of the day. KFC.
Is curry, spicy bone,
As a vlogger.
then red card from Arian.
Ang tanong, ma-edit kaya nila itong mga video na to.
Ang sarap ng KFC dito guys kasi pwede walang mga.
Ayan, pag may ketchup ka pa, di ba? Ay, may rice ka pa.
Okay, let's eat.
Gusto ko yung ganito, hindi masyadong matigas yung crust niya. Sobrang lambot na. Pero crunchy pa din.
Gusto ko yung little flaky.
Parang ang light na lang, no?
Ang sarap. Kasi ang flaky
Hati tayo
niya.
dito.
Hindi siya yung parang buo na.
Loko, wow.
Thank you, Arian.
Ang ganda din in fairness sa'yo ha. Maganda yung camera mo. Okay, so we're gonna taste our first.
Kahit naman daw hindi, sabi ni ate. Kung may madaanan lang daw tayo.
Nakasya ka ba? Dito ka. Dito siya sa POV ko.
Sige, dalawa na lang. Cut na lang natin yung fuel.
Okay, let's taste.
I want the green one.
Ang sarap ng mango slush.
Sobrang sarap. Sarap, Arian. O may mas masarap.
Mas masarap pa rin yung mangga ng Pilipinas, pero masarap yung
Yan lang lang ako. Hanggang alat ng idol.
sarap ng ano nila, rice nila sobra.
Sarap ng rice gogi. Sabi ko hindi ako namakain ito, pero sarap. Pollinator.
Kahit kapag kasahin ko itong lahat eh.
Mamaya ako na ayusin. We're gonna go to
Pahinga muna tayo.
Tong Plaza later para maghanap kami ng mga plus size. Because everyone should be feel beautiful. Tell them what you bought. Later, we're gonna
I
do
bought
a haul.
clothes for Ricky mostly. And
So,
one,
do you love him?
no, I don't think.
But if you buy clothes for him, should he buy a ring for you?
No, I'm not ready yet. I'm sorry. Next
Ay,
question,
that's not
please.
the conversation we had the other day. You were saying that you need a refrigerator. Ito
Okay
yung una
naman
kong
naman ang
story sa
followers ko.
Thailand.
Okay.
Okay lang naman ang followers ko.
Yes.
No, si Rep mo.
Naalala?
I have rep. I have mini rep.
You have mini rep.
And
Okay
I
lang
need-
malaman ng followers ko na nanay ka na. Signal mom ka.
Yes, I'm a
Signal mom.
like you.
Yeah, me, I'm a signal mom. But I have a co-parent.
I have a co-parent too. Many parents.
Good. Because we are inclusive here. What about you? You're a signal mom of 4, right?
Signal mom of 4, but I have
In
my...
this economy,
But their lola is helping me and their tito Paul. So
that's good.
I have a lot of
And Tito
helpers.
Edward.
Yo, Papa Edward. Papa Edward, they're OFW eh. OFW, their Papa is OFW.
11 steps
First day, 11 lang. 11 lang. Okay. First day recap. Look at what that.
Gosh.
So many.
The damage has been done.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll remove that. Magko-comfort clothes na ako.
Ulit, t-shirt lang. Parang ito na lang suotin ko bukas. I'm sorry.
This is our first dinner of the first day.
Hi guys.
What are you having? Shrimp fried rice.
Shrimp, I'm gonna have shrimp fried rice.
You
Shrimp basil.
and me beef Thai basil or whatever. I don't know.
Have like a grilled something and fried.
Thank you. Tonight's desserts, sticky mango rice with coconut ice cream and roti. Yay! So excited. Excited ba yan?
Finally.
Okay, hi guys. Welcome to our dessert taste test.
It's melting now.
Yeah, first is our
Mango sticky rice with
coconut ice cream. Okay. Okay. Okay, first this one. Just try na.
Go, go, go. You go and I go ahead.
I'm gonna get the perfect mix. You need to get everything together.
With the flour?
With the rice, with the ice.
With the pinipig?
Masarap yun, no? Dun sa 120 pesos, ito 89.
Sobrang sarap na.
Say to the camera.
Jod Fairs. Please note that yung Jod Fairs is nasa
Ratchamana.
Ratchada. Ratchada. Ah?
Ratchada.
Ratchada.
Tama na, meron pa tayong isa pa.
Roti. Uy, bag.
Rotella.
Rotella.
Nutella. Nutella banana roti.
Wow! The most awaited dessert.
Okay, let's go. So, paano ba ito kanain? Ito lang, kuha ka isa. Pizza, guys.
Sobrang perfect. Sobrang perfect. As in, sobrang perfect.
Oo, inasabi ko. Wow. With a little bit of coconut ice cream. It's what you call mango sticky rice roti banana. Ang sarap!
Sobrang kilig ko sa Nutella. Saka din sa crispiness.
Alam mo, minanifest natin to kasi kumain tayo sa prep. Perfect.
Lasa banana eh, no? Pero may lasa.
Hindi, may banana siya talaga. Nutella banana roti nga.
Ah, may banana sa loob?
Yung banana. Yung ginagawa. Real na real. Okay, may bakbak.
Hello!
Okay,
We're back.
So, we're back right now. So, just to inform you guys, it's our very, very first out of the country trip as Flinks -1. We miss you, girl. Mommy Tin. And it's my second time here in Bangkok, so I'm gonna ask these girls how they're liking Bangkok so far. Okay, have you thought of your answer?
Yeah. So, I really love Bangkok. I've spent so much, even though it's day one only. Oh my gosh. Yeah. But the food is so great. And the clothes as well. How about you?
Okay.
Wait.
Bakit may
I
pasay?
like it.
Hey, you answer.
I like it.
Okay, out of 1 to 5, how do you rate Bangkok? Overall.
If you want to
I
come
rate it
back
an
again
8.
like that.
An 8
One
was
five.
the
Out of
transport
5 lang
is
eh.
very difficult.
Hey, ano na, ayusin mo nga.
I rated a 4.
Okay.
A 4.
Are you ever do you wanna come back here?
Yes, but
Kahit di pa tayo nakakaalis.
yes, I want a different experience because right now we're just gonna do shopping, gonna eat. I want to explore the city. Like
I wanna go to Krabi.
temples,
Phuket.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the temple the next few days.
only. I want to go to only.
That's for the next video, okay?
Yeah. We're gonna when she experiences the heat in the temple, she wouldn't want to go there anymore.
Hey, gusto mo ba?
Ate tayo sa.
Ikaw na sa'yo. Binibigay sa
Oh,
akin.
yate.
Oh, sige, hati.
Okay, next question. Next question is What do you like more? Because I know you are Vietnam addict. What do you like more, this or that?
Yeah, I can say it yet. Because in Vietnam, we love to walk and walk.
I think the correct answer is you can compare because it's different. That's the answer. You don't know how to answer.
Okay, next question.
Next question is, when are we gonna do a haul?
No. Okay, let's do it later.
I'm gonna do it.
I wanna do it too.
Go nyo na! Go later. It's okay.
Bye, bye.
May work kasi siya, kaya mainit sa ulo niya. We are working, girls.
See you on our day 2.
Make sure to like and subscribe, okay? And guess what we bought? Yay! And then we did shopping also. Show, Lana, show yours.